Hello guys, it is James here. This is the first vlog of many from Prague. It's
It's not
currently,
from Prague.
well no, we're in the UK currently.
Yeah.
It is currently, what's the time, China?
9:39.
It's currently 9:39. We'll be catching our plane in about 11 hours.
Yeah.
So we're about to go to sleep so that we can be awake for the drive down, where China is going to be the chief video recorder as we're driving down to the airport. See you soon. Hello. So, it's currently 2 o'clock in the morning, and we have woken up about half an hour ago. We're both shattered, and we're now on our way to Stansted Airport. And we're just we'll probably record an update when we almost get there, or China will record an update. Anyway, I'm just going to be the innocent victim that's driving. Are you tired, China?
Very tired.
That is all. Bye-bye. Hello, China.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're at Stortford Services.
Stortford Services. Yeah. We are 17 minutes away from Stansted. It's 3:20 in the morning. However, China booked the parking for 4 o'clock, which we thought would be fine. But we're just instead going to have some coffee to wake up. China's putting on her lovely shoes.
They're a bit dirty though. Don't judge my shoes, people. They've had a good life.
Let's get some. What we got? What we rocking here, China? What we
rocking
crepping?
some feelers, and look at them. Look at these little platforms, mate. Give me a bit of height.
Yeah, you need some height.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, well, we will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye. China. Hello. Yeah, I am. Are you enjoying your coffee?
I haven't tasted it yet. You look like you should be part of an advert.
When I want a coffee, I want stuff. You've got to hold it so the logo's visible.
The exploitation of the colonies, the imperialism.
Hello.
Hi.
You might want to hold it a bit more. There we go. We're now on our way.
But then we can't get both of us in.
We're now on our way to the terminal. There's a big plane over there, look.
Where? Oh yeah, it's right. No.
That's a Larder.
It's a Lauder.
And there's Ryanair on the left there, look. We're flying Ryanair, by the way, because we may not make it.
We might die today.
But we're on our way to the airport.
Oh my god, you've left their window open.
Oh my god. Hello. We're in Wetherspoons and we're waiting for our food to arrive, which might be arriving shortly. China.
I needed to do an ID check. It said for over 16s only, and I'm not quite sure if I'm 16 yet.
Thank you for the coffee. Hello. We're currently waiting to get on our plane. Please contribute to the vlog.
I don't have anything to say.
She's embarrassed because we're in an airport full of people.
No. We just vlog every 10 minutes.
We haven't looked. That's not our plane. However, our plane hasn't arrived yet, so we're getting a bit worried.
And we don't even know our gate yet.
Okay, well,
you take a photo?
I did, yeah. So, we've just made it into the hotel room, and China is amazed on what she's seeing here. Some slippers, for example. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and we'll have a look what's in there. Let's have a look at the bathroom first. China, give us a tour. Did you turn the sink on?
No, somebody else flushed the toilet.
So this is our toilet.
This is our toilet.
This is our toilet.
Look, we've got a toilet roll.
Toilet roll.
Thing. Look, there's slippers.
Slippers.
A little rack and some tissues.
Lovely sink.
Look at this.
Hello everyone.
Look at all of these soaps and lotions.
Ooh. Ooh. And we've got a
Look at our
bath.
light up mirror as well.
Got a lovely bath
Got
and a shower.
Bath and a shower combo. And a nice little mat as well.
And then if we go out here,
That's the bathroom.
this is the bedroom. So we've got a lovely bed with some chocolates on the bed. And we've got this mega coffee machine as well here.
And
Wow.
Flat screen TV.
Flat screen TV.
And we even have a shoe brush.
Hold on, I'm looking at the outside view. And what's the shoe brush?
Look, we've got a shoe brush. And we've got a thing to help us get our shoes on if we're too old.
So I can just, if I just, oh,
Look at the shoe.
oh, this is nice. I'm enjoying this.
Look, there's like 3 different mirrors.
What? Whoa.
We've got loads. This is really cool. So we're going to go have a nap probably and then get some food.
Yeah.
So, goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Hello, China.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good. We're in a restaurant. We're about to eat some beautiful food.
Exactly.
I have this massive pint of beer. China has a coffee.
And I get water with it. How cool is that?
Beautiful. Bye-bye. China, are you happy with your food?
Yes, look at it.
I want you to give us a taste test.
Oh, do you have to try some of this gravy?
I will try some. I'm going to have some of my massive burger. China decided not to cross the road when everyone else did. Now she is all the way over there on her own. Hello.
Hello.
Stand in front of this beautiful scenery.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Right, smile.